Back rack, winch rack. The electric winch kit has a top-quality towel ball-mounted, fully waterproof Goldfish 4,000 pounds electric winch with all the fitments to fit a standard car, or 4x4, remote control, a long battery lead with crock clips, a tree strap, a shackle, and a pulley to increase the pull. EasyLifters. This EasyLifters are designed for a load of up to 300 kilograms per EasyLifter. This makes it difficult to lose the opening and move manhole covers, which allow up to 600 kilograms. To protect the end cover of the manhole cover located on the underside of the hoist, a plastic coating. The wheels are covered with thermoplastic rubber and protect your floor's covering. A trapezoidal thread spindle enables a quick and easy opening of the manhole cover. Craftsman Figure 8 Universal Metric Wrench. Craftsman metric figure 8 wrench bundles 8 wrenches in one tool, lightweight and convenient. Just hang on your tool belt and bypass the need to lug around a set of wrenches in your toolbox. Each end has 2 sockets, each covering 2 head sizes. Heads feature a universal tooth design, making them compatible with other fastener types. Al-Magor Universal Punch-Up. With the Al-Magor Universal Punch-Up 3 Garden patented tool, Model 160030P is a handy tool that punches accurate 3 mm holes on pipes that measure from 16 to 32 mm. Holes can also be performed on thick-walled pay irrigation pipes due to the unique spiral movement of its punch tip. It is able to have interchangeable punch tips with different diameters that are sold separately. It arrives in a sealed package with a 3 mm punch tip and instruction card, ready for gifting. The Skil Combisaw is a compact, lightweight saw that handles the most common sawing jobs in and around the home. It combines 2 popular DIY tools in one, a reciprocating saw and a jigsaw. Just click and slide the handle, and you can smoothly switch between a reciprocating saw and a jigsaw. The unique blade holder takes standard reciprocating saw blades and jigsaw blades, both of which are widely available. Other useful features like the lock-on button and 2-finger trigger add extra convenience while working. The 3-meter power cord gives you all the freedom of movement you need. Milwaukee M12 Handheld Sprayer. This M18 switch tank 4-gallon backpack sprayer delivers the industry's first interchangeable tank design with no manual pumping. Designed to meet the needs of professional landscape maintenance, the battery-powered backpack sprayer provides you with instant, constant, and adjustable pressure up to 120 psi at a 25-foot spray distance. Muro's heavy-duty driver is tough, efficient, speedy, and durable. Perfect for toughest jobs securing wood to metal. This tool drives 12 to 1/4 diameter self-tapping screws. This high-performance and durable tool offers tremendous labor savings on every job. It combines 2 jobs into one, no pre-drilling of pilot holes required. A simple one-step operation. Complete package. Includes telescoping extension handle. The 2-speed motor adjusts to a variety of metal thicknesses in order not to overheat and break the self-drilling screw tip. Lower gear is close to 80% of high gear, which results in higher torque with less RPM. MADI's slot socket is a multi-purpose lineman tool with a wide range of wing nut and eyebolt type clamp applications, including grounding clamps, hot line clamps, layout arm hardware, stringing blocks, temporary arm insulators, and J-hooks. The socket also features a high visibility ID band and is impact rated. Now the new slot socket plus fits 5/8 and 3/4 eye nuts, non-standard die nuts on the composite arms, large hard heads or legs, 3/4 square nuts on 1/2 bolts, and an improved fit for large J-hooks. The Zircon MetalliScanner M40 handheld electronic metal detector quickly and easily detects metal in wood, drywall, paneling, tile, stucco, plaster, concrete, and other non-metallic surfaces. It locates ferrous metal up to 4 inches deep and non-ferrous metal up to 2 inches deep. MetalliScanner M40 solves the very difficult problem of finding studs in lath and plaster walls. It works by finding the pattern of nails that attach the wood lath to the studs. The MetalliScanner M40 finds plumbing, ductwork, rebar, nails, and screws in your walls, floors, and ceilings, and is great for scanning reclaimed lumber for hidden metal. The MetalliScanner M40 has 2 scanning positions, each with a progressive LED display. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.